Have you figured out exactly where you want to live, but there's just nothing on the market that's acceptable? Nothing but dogs? What if you could take one of those dogs and turn it into your dream home? Stay tuned, I'll tell you how you can do that. Hey, I'm Brian David with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Expect Realty here on the Mississippi Gulf Coast. And in this video, I'm going to share with you some information about what is known as renovation loans, what they are, the benefits, the different types, some cons, and also a little bonus for sellers because it can be very helpful for a seller as well. So let's get started. So what is a renovation loan? Well, this is where you're able to go out and purchase a property in its as-is state. And as is, a lot of times sellers just don't even advertise a home as being open to VA and FHA buyers because they don't have the money or they don't have the ability or they just don't want to make costly repairs to the home. So they advertise it to cash only as is. With this renovation loan, you're able to go out and look at all these homes. You can literally tear a home down to the ground and rebuild it. So there's a lot of opportunity there to purchase where you want to be and build your dream home or bring it up to dream home standards. So what happens is you go out, you make offers, you buy it in an as-is state, and then you will, with the help of the lender, send out licensed contractor to do a bid on the house, all of the, bid all the work that it's going to take to get it up to the standard. That will be handed off to an appraiser. Appraiser will go out and look at the, what is the value of the home now, what is going to be the value after the repairs are done, and he'll submit his appraisal back based on the after repair value of the home. So then you will close on the home in its as-is state. The contractor will do the work, and then the loan, once the work is done and verified by the lender, then the loan will be finalized based on that value. So that is really cool. Most of these loans, well, all of them I do believe, allow you to buy up to a fourplex. So you could buy a duplex, triplex, you could live in one side or one unit and rent the other ones out, renovate the whole thing. So a little bit of house hacking potential there as well. The different types, one of the most notable ones is the FHA 203K loan. There is it's basically treated like any other FHA loan, 3.5% down payment. There is mortgage insurance on it, which is a downside. It can only be used as a primary residence. And the caveat to that is if it is a multiplex, you as a primary resident can stay in one unit and rent the other ones out. One of the cool things about the FHA loan is you can actually borrow up to 110% of that appraised value. So it gives you a little bit of cushion in the renovation work. So that's a really nice benefit of the FHA 203K. It can also just be a lifesaver. So if you're an FHA buyer and you go out and you find a house and you put the offer in, you're going through it, and then some costly repair is discovered, say the roof needs to be replaced. Maybe the appraiser went out and said, hey, this needs a new roof. The seller doesn't want to do it. You can flip that FHA 203B loan, which is a standard loan, into an FHA 203K loan. If your lender doesn't know what that is, then find another lender, because you can definitely have another lender pick it up and do that 203K, have a contractor go out, bid the roof, and then close out the property, have the roof replaced, finish out the loan. Easy peasy. Another one is the VA loan, our VA renovation loan. This is for active duty military or veterans that are qualified for a VA loan. And with the VA, just like a regular VA loan, 100% financing on these. So that option's available, primary residence only, and you can do up to 4 units, just like the FHA loan. The third one's very interesting. It's conventional. It's HomeStyle is the name of this renovation loan. What's really cool about this one is it's actually open to investors as well. Now, I've been told the interest rates might be just a little bit higher, maybe a little bit higher down payment requirement, but I've been told that you can actually have up to 10 of these loans, an individual. So if you're looking to build a portfolio of rental properties, this is a really good way to go in and buy some properties that are in disrepair and get them up to standard, and raise the rents, nicer place, raise the rents, raise the cash flow. So investors, think about that. So you got these three different types of renovation loans. Some of the cons, it can take a little bit longer to get these done. They generally, as far as I know, they just don't let you do the work yourself. Most lenders are going to require licensed contractors. And I've been told that, and in my experience, the best way to do is just to have a general contractor bid the job and let them sub out the different pieces of it. So those are not a lot of cons to it, a lot of benefits to it, and kind of a bonus for sellers. If you've got a property that you just don't want to make repairs on, or you can't afford to make repairs on, you're having to lower the price to get it sold, talk to your agent about marketing it as a renovation loan acceptable property, and that your willingness, to work in that regards. It's not a lot for you to do in that, but when you put your property on the MLS and you put as is only on it, a lot of buyers just walk away. A lot of agents don't even know about renovation loans, and they just don't even consider your property. So just adding that in the property description that, you possibly could do renovation loan on this property could, get people thinking about the possibilities. So I'm Brian David, again, with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate, Expect Realty. And I'd love to talk to you more. There's so much more information. I can make a 30-minute video on this, maybe an hour video on this renovation loan and different products and stuff. But love to, meet with you, talk with you. If you're in the market for this, or if you know anybody else that is, please share the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Give us a call if you need anything else. If you're in the market, buy, sell, invest. And don't forget to like and subscribe.